Ever heard of the Winklevoss twins? Yeah, the guys who claimed Mark Zuckerberg stole their idea for Facebook. Well, buckle up, because they're back in the game, this time with cryptocurrency. Their brainchild? Gemini. But how long has this crypto exchange been around, and should you consider it for your digital gold rush? Let's rewind the clock a bit. Remember 2013? That's when the Winklevoss twins first announced Gemini, with a focus on making Bitcoin accessible and secure for everyone. Back then, Bitcoin was still a Wild West, and trust me, security was a major concern. So, Gemini aimed to be the sheriff in this digital frontier. But hold on, they didn't just throw open the doors and yelled, "Let's trade." Nope, it took them a good 2 years to get everything in order. Finally, in October 2015, Gemini officially launched, becoming one of the first fully regulated cryptocurrency exchanges in the US. That's right, they played by the rules, which was a breath of fresh air in the often sketchy crypto world. So, to answer the burning question, how old is Gemini crypto? Based on its official launch date, Gemini is coming up on its 9th birthday in October 2024. That might not seem like a long time compared to some financial giants, but in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, 9 years is practically an eternity. Gemini has seen the rise and fall of countless cryptocurrencies, hacks that sent shivers down investors' spines, and regulatory battles that threatened the entire industry. Through it all, Gemini has managed to stay afloat, which speaks volumes about their approach. They prioritized security, compliance, and building trust, a stark contrast to some fly-by-night exchanges that promised the moon and delivered, well, let's just say disappointment. But hey, age isn't everything. The real question is Gemini still relevant in today's crypto landscape? Well, that depends on your priorities. If you value a secure platform with a user-friendly interface and a decent variety of cryptocurrencies, over 120, then Gemini might be a good fit. However, if you're a hardcore trader looking for the most exotic altcoins and the lowest fees, you might find Gemini a bit on the vanilla side. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Gemini is up to you. Do your research, compare it to other exchanges, and see if it aligns with your crypto goals. Remember, diversification is key in this volatile market. Gemini could be a solid foundation for your crypto portfolio, but it probably shouldn't be the only piece. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.